Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, guess what? I wholeheartedly welcome you to Vlogmas Day 18, and it happens to be National Ugly Christmas Sweater Day. Yes, this is my National Ugly Christmas Sweater. So, hey, it is what it is. And like my mother-in-law used to say, that thing so ugly is cute, but it looks cute on me though. Hey, that's all that matters. So got all the little balls of snow, which I am dreaming of a white Christmas this year in the ATL. And it's cute. Let me just stand up a little bit so you can see. And we got the dude coming down the slopes. Yes, yes, yes. And on the back side, it's completely black. And there's a couple of drops of snow in the back. So, yes, I miss going into the corporate world. We celebrated the ugly Christmas sweater every year, and I don't know why I never gave these away. I still have them, and your girl will bust it out and wear it out in public. Hey. So, yeah. So, do you have an ugly Christmas sweater? Let a girl know. Put it in a comment. Hang on just a second. I'm gonna let you see the other ones. Ha ha. Yes, I'm cool like that. Couldn't go without wearing my Santa hat, y'all. Here's my other ugly sweater. And this one is kind of ugly, I must say. But it is so ugly. It's cute. And this is what she looks like. She got snowman everywhere. You know, I really must be dreaming of a white Christmas if I keep showing y'all all this snowman stuff, right? But the back is red. Nothing on the back. It's all on the front of the sweater. So, very little detail on the sleeves. Very little, just stars. I guess, yeah, those are little stars. And we got snowman all the way up, holly, snowflakes. Your girl is really wishing for a white Christmas here. So yes, I had to pull out this one again. Another ugly sweater. Your girl just can't let them go, so they must not be ugly, right? Okay guys, here's another one. And this one was one that I could wear like if I was going out on an appointment to meet a customer, so it wasn't too over the top, which I am one that's normally over the top, as you can tell with that red one. But this one is kind of cute. You can wear it with some jeans or whatever, but this one is cute. Let me show you this one. This one has snowman again. It must snow in Georgia for Christmas, I'm telling you. I'm gonna have to fly to the NY. Get ready, Vern, I'm coming. So, it has the snowman and little snowflakes. Got a scarf. And what is this? Reindeer. Let's see if I can show this one without turning it off. Got a little reindeer on the bottom. Reindeer. And what is this one? Another daggone snowflake. But this one has at the bottom, it has a little reindeer. And I'm so short, can't see it, but maybe I can stand on my tippy toes there. Got a reindeer here and snowflake there. Did I just say snowflake again? Yes, I did. So this one, this one is actually very casual. It's soft, and it's got, I think this is called velour around the collar, but it's really cute. I really like this one though. So that's another one for you guys. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 of like 10. I gotta get rid of these guys. I got too many of them, but these are really cute. This one is cute. Again, it's so ugly. It's cute. And it looks cute on me. So that's what we got here. Okay guys, this is probably the least ugliest one, which means it's very boring, so it's no conversation. But anyway, let me let you see this one here. This one is very cute. It's got, what is that, leaves, red and black and gold. So, and it's solid black on the back, so nothing different. Red sleeve cuffs and That's basically it. So it's kind of boring, right? This does not fit me at all because I'm normally the bouncy and happy-go-lucky one. So yeah, this one, yeah, this is one of the ones that I wear when I'm out just being, I don't even know what to say. But it is a very nice sweater. It's warm, it's Christmas, it's festive. Hey, I did it. So I am going to give you my final spiel. And I hope you guys, this is what it's all about. It's having fun. Vlogmas, having fun. And just being in the spirit of the holiday season. So I do look forward to participating in the ugly Christmas sweater contest every year. And this year, Coco has prevented us from doing any of these because of what's going on in the world, and we have to stay protected, which brings me to the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed the video of me reminiscing through all of my ugly Christmas sweaters. That's so cute, but as my mother-in-law used to say, they're so ugly, they're cute, but I look cute in them, yes! So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please keep in mind, it's that time of the year where people are doing some strange things out there, so please be aware of your surroundings. Don't leave your packages in the car that they can see it and crash into your car. Don't do that. Also, please, 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 if you see the kettle out there, drop some coins in for the Salvation Army, or $1, or use your card and tap that card and that Apple Pay or Google Pay. Donate, donate, donate. As while we're speaking of donate, I think it's time for me to let these sweaters go. So they will be going to be donated as well. I don't know if anybody's gonna buy them, but I'm gonna donate them. And also make sure that you, when you're out and about, wear your face covering, your mask. Make sure if you do not have access to a sink to wash your hands, hand sanitizer. And make sure you keep your social distancing. And have fun, guys, just have fun. It is really a fun thing. So I hope you've enjoyed the video again. I thank you so very much for coming. Like, comment, let me know if you have an ugly Christmas sweater or if you've ever participated in an ugly Christmas sweater contest. What do you think about it? So give me that comment and then share me out, because sharing is caring. And if you are not a member of my channel, please make sure you go down there somewhere and subscribe to that channel, and then go right next door and click that notification bell to be notified of all my videos when they're uploaded. I thank you again so very much for joining me for Vlogmas Day 18. It's almost there, guys. Just be careful out there, and God bless you. God bless you, and have a great time out there. Have some fun. See you next time. I love you long time. Bye-bye now.